a sum of money becomes 7 by 6 times of itself in 3 years at a rate of simple interest. We are supposed to find the rate. Here, this 7 by 6 is nothing but it is the amount which has, this is the principal that has transformed into 6 rupees, has become 7 rupees, so to say, in a period of 3 years. This is for, this entire ratio is for 3 years. Now to arrive at the interest, it is nothing but a minus p, which is 7 minus 6 comes to 1. Now interest by principal ratio will be I is 1 and p is 6, therefore 1 by 6. This is for 3 years. Now always rate is always calculated per annum, therefore if this is for 3 years, then for 1 year it will be 1 by 6 into 1 by 3. And we know that interest by p into 100 gives the rate of interest, and here we have interest by p. Now all we need to do is 1 by 18 into 100 will give the rate of interest. 100 by 18 is nothing but 2 9s, 250 is therefore 5 by 9 percentage. An alternate method is, we have this formula, direct application, we will arrive at r because n has been given as 7 by 6. 7 by 6, t has been given as 3 years, and now value substitution will give us the answer, which is again the same answer, 6 7 9, 1 by 6. This will be 1 by 6. And as you can see, the same thing is unfolding once again. R, if I want r, I have to shift this 3 down, and this is nothing but 1 by 18. And 1 by 18, if once again I shift the 100 also, it would be 1 by 18 into 100. And again I have the same 100 by 18, which is nothing but 9 2s, 9 50s. Sorry, 2 9s, 2 50s. Therefore 50 by 9 is once again 5 by 9 percentage. So doing the problem in both ways will give the same answer.